She was once this little girl, the one who was perfect. She did things with her whole heart. There wasn't any doubt. She had all the love, the first girl in the family, obviously. She did things on her own. The feelings made her the happiest. Let me tell you a secret. She hated growing up, but she grew before anyone else. Maturity wasn't the problem, but adulting when you are a child was. How did this princess become a queen? How did the child become a teen? How did the young become old? How? Yeah, she didn't have the choice. She didn't have the choice. Growing made her felt better because she didn't have the choice. Burden made her her. She didn't have the choice. Why am I so tough on myself? Why? She didn't make any wrong. Why? Now she couldn't be alone. She's not that little girl anymore who enjoyed being alone. She felt suffocated. She avoided being alone. She was once this little girl, the one who was perfect. Then she had no choice. She had no choice. Now she chose the different path. A beautiful path, the right path, hopefully. This time it's her decision. She grew on her own pace. Things was a little better because this time it's her.